Okay guys. Since we are at the final 5 so early, I decided to have more contestants to compete. Here are the contestants. Before we do the elimination ceremony, you guys will choose which team you will be on. If you want to switch, you can. Begin. I think me and basketball will create a new team. Yeah. I think me and fries will go with nickel and basketball. Yeah, agree. Well, me, Gelatin are going to the blue team. Because it only has 2 members. Hey Dollar, come join our new team. Okay, Pillow. Join the blue team. Sure. Okay. Teams are finished. Now teams. Choose your team name.
Ha ha! You're stuck with Snowball.
I'm not gonna lose my dignity that easily. To uphold my honor, our team must be the strongest team on Earth.
Ooh, I want to be Death Pact again too!
That team name is awesome!
10, they're already Death Pact again. Our team name will have to be...
Are you okay?
And, I guess we're Team No Name.
Lame.
Okay. Then that's your team names. Basketball, Nickel, Lamp, and Lollipop. Come with me. It's elimination time for you guys. The rest of you, feel free to play.
Elimination time, elimination time. It's time for one of you to go home. Actually, don't go home. You have to F-O-B. It's the frame of boredom and nothing. Yeah. Elimination time.
Well. Look, you lost. If you're safe, I'll give you ice cream cake. So, let's start. Nickel is safe with no votes. Lamp is safe with 1. Basketball is safe with 2. And Lollipop has been eliminated with 4 votes. What the heck? No one likes me, ugly face. I want to stay here. No. Don't do it. The 4th contest is to build your team or house. The first team to finish first wins. The last team to do so will be up for elimination. Nothing happens to the team in second place. Go! Okay Gelatin. What tools should we need? Let's see. We need the hammer, nails, a wrench, a saw, a drill, tape measure, a screwdriver, and more. Wow! That's a lot. Okay. What's the first step for the floor? Step 1. Put the floor down, put the nails down, and hammer the nails. Step 2. Put up the walls. Step 3. Saw the front wall. And then, add the door. Wow! The strongest team on Earth wins. And now it's down to Team No Name. And are you okay? Who will win? Well, all that's left is the roof. The roof and then we'll be done. And are you okay finishes in second place. What the heck? But how? We were almost done. Well, too late. Viewers, click the links in the description to visit each Team No Name's YouTube video. The one with the most likes gets a prize. And there is no need to vote who should be eliminated, because the wheel is going to do it. Alright, see you in Battle for Total Drama 5. Wow. I like this movie. Hey basketball. All of this watching movies is getting me hungry. Don't worry. I brought McDonald's. Cool, thanks. No problem. I got 2 10-piece nuggets, medium fries, double Whopper, and large Cokes. Wow, that's a lot. Yeah. Let's keep watching the movie. Okay? Okay.